This is how to fry a steak. Step 1. Choose proper cookware. I prefer stainless steel, but cast iron is also good. Avoid Teflon because it releases toxic chemicals when it's heated or scratched. Step 2. Bring the steak up to room temperature and pat it dry. This helps cook the meat more evenly and gives a better crust when you sear it. Step 3. Preheat and grease the pan. This prevents food from sticking. I cook in beef tallow, but ghee is also good. Avoid plant oils because they generate trans fats at high temperatures. Step 4. Press the steak into the pan for 10 to 15 seconds. This helps brown the steak more evenly. Step 5. Cook both sides for 2 minutes each. Cover with a splatter guard to keep your range top clean. Step 6. Check the temperature with the meat thermometer. I aim for rare. The longer you cook a steak, the more you destroy its nutrients and flavor. Step 7. Enjoy. A fatty cut of steak provides complete nutrition.